Hi guys, welcome to the IBPS SO paper analysis, which is for the specialist officer. Fine, in this video I'm going to increase your score by 10 marks, and trust me, that's a promise to you if you follow all these strategies which we are going to talk in the next few minutes. So please sit with the pen and paper ready so that we can discuss all the strategies as we go along. Alright, so we are going to now do quant section of the IBPS SO exam. So in the IBPS exam, total question are going to be 50. Typical breakup of this 50 question is to me quant based question will be 25 and DIDS will be another 25. So other maths, other DIDS. Fine, so that's the beauty. Maths is only 25 questions. Okay. So within DI, 20 question on DI and 5 question on data sufficiency. That's a typical breakup. Okay. Out of this math section, there will be BODMAS. 5 questions for sure, which is approximations. Fine. Series, 5 marks. Fine. Data comparison, 5 mark. So 15 mark तो ये हो गया, बचा क्या तुम्हारे लिए फिर? बाकी every topic 1 mark. Time, speed, distance, time and work, geometry, mensuration, profit and loss. हर एक का एक क्वेश्चन आने वाला है. Fine. So basically in quant section, what you have to do in the time frame what we have, if you don't have enough time, follow BODMAS, series, data comparison. Do 50-50 question, 30-30 question in each of them, and do formulas of every chapter, because they're going to be there for one question. Easy question, yeah, you can solve them. DI, main problem of DI is a calculation. Okay, IBS ka DI will contain calculation, so be prepared for that. 20 questions, there will be 4 set. So what you do, you have to do all the chapters: bar chart, line chart, tables, caselets. Do at least 20 questions of each of them and you are done. Fine. Most of them will be combinations, like a pie chart is a pie chart plus a small table given with them. So you have to use 2 charts. Fine. Last year paper, almost every DI set was containing 2 sets, 2 charts. 1 table and a small line graph. 1 pie chart with a small table. Okay, and data sufficiency 5 questions. Okay, so these are your important topics. So if I summarize, so what you have to work on, we have to do BODMAS, we have to do series, we have to do data comparison, we have to do DI in detail, and data sufficiency. If you have your exam next week, fine, at least do 30-30 questions of each chapter. If you have time for the exam, 50 questions more than sufficient. What we have is a shortcut workshop at CET King, in which the target is to take is to spend half of the time than the other students are putting in. So our target will be to spend and or solve all these questions in half the time. That is going to be the target in the quant section. Alright, so if I summarize quant section, so we've got 50 questions to be solved. Time allocated is 40 minutes for you. There's no limit of time in the exam, but I'm giving you 40 minutes of time. Fine. And in this 40 minutes, you have to do minimum 30 questions, 25 to 30 questions. Or ho bhi jayega, trust me. Okay, that's your target. Alright. So these are the shortcut workshop I was talking about. So we have workshop for quant, which includes DI, logic, geometry, everything. And verbal, which contains RC, critical reasoning, parajumbles, everything. So you can join this workshop online on cetking.com. Yep. Alright, moving to the verbal section. The most easiest section of this is verbal section. 50 questions. 15 minutes is more than sufficient to target 30 questions. Bindas. Ho jayega. Okay, so don't worry. Alright, I normally divide verbal section 50 questions into 3 parts. One is RC, reading comprehension, which include reading paragraphs or reading comprehension, and parajumbles as well come as a part of that. Grammar, another 15 questions, few questions grammar, and last is fill in the blanks, vocab based. Fine. So in 50 marks, 10 marks is RC plus 5 marks parajumble, 15 mark paper RC. Grammar 15 questions, spotting the errors, sentence correction 15 questions. And fill in the blanks around 20 questions. That includes close passage, normal fill in the blanks, and vocab usage. So that's your mota 3 sections. Alright, Now how to study? Fine, RC is obviously scaring, but IBPS का RC is scoring because most of the top questions are going to be fact based, simple to identify from the passage. Fine, all you do is you have to look for that particular data in the chart. No inference based question, easy to solve, done. RC करना है. Grammar, yes, thoroughly do grammar and thoroughly do fill in the blanks. If you are CETing students, we have given shortcuts for solving RC, fill in the blanks, all these questions, grammar. So please go through all the shortcuts in the advanced videos in CETing. Fine, for this section. Alright, so verbal RC 10 questions, paragraph completion 15 questions are going to be based on reading big paragraphs. Grammar 15 questions, fill in the blanks 20 questions, vocab usage 20 questions. Okay. So if we finally strategize what we just talked about, 50 questions are going to be there. We are not going to spend more than 15 minutes on this section and try to do 30 questions. RC छोड़ भी दिया तो भी चलेगा, no problem. Parajumble छोड़ भी दिया तो चलेगा, but do as much as you can. Fine, but the negative marking is there, so please take care of that. Alright. Alright. Now remember, in verbal section every question half mark. Fine. So 50 questions if you are doing, the total marks is only 25. Yeah, do remember that. Alright, we're going to logic section. Within logic section again there will be total 50 questions. Fine. In IBPS exam, out of this 50 questions, the breakup is again there are 3 sections. One is logical puzzle, sitting arrangement, circular sitting arrangement, matrix based arrangement. 23 questions are going to be there from the puzzles, which is above average, very difficult to be done. Fine, overall section is tough. If you're expecting logic, if you're strong in logic, very good. Look at the last year paper. It was not easy at all to crack the exam. Okay, and that's the main problem of the IBPS section. The section which you like will become tough. Next is critical reasoning, 8 questions. Strong argument, weak argument, statement assumption, statement conclusion, all those kind of questions. 8. And remaining all traditional question. Yep, traditional question around 19-20. Traditional means your syllogisms, input output, mathematical inequality, blood relationship, direction sense. So do all these topics: direction sense, blood relationship, critical reasoning, mathematical inequalities, input output, and syllogisms. So please take a note of all these topics. So traditional 19, critical reasoning 8, and logical puzzles 23. That's a typical breakup for the logic sections. Now how to play on this is, number 1, try to do critical puzzles, logical puzzles questions wherever possible. Main problem is circular arrangement questions are not that much freely available in the market. Fine, especially the level which is coming in IBPS. The 10 people sitting on a circular table, half of them facing center, half of them facing outside. So if you're CETing a student, please go through all the shortcuts which we have for puzzles, input, output, all those things. Okay, so logical puzzles आपको करना है. Number 2 is your input, output, syllogisms. For example, input, output. Average time to solve one question is 1 minute because it takes time. We have shortcuts in which the cycle time for input, output will come down to 20 seconds per question. People are doing 5 questions in 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes. We are doing 5 questions in 1 minute, max to max 2 minutes. Fine. Again and again I'm saying logic section is going to be tough in IBPS. Fine, so we have to focus on that. Yep. Last is critical reasoning. This is going to be the main decider because this is ignored by everyone. So if you are going through this topic, we have 25 workshops for that online. 25 workshops only dedicated for critical reasoning. This is make or break section. Yep. Same goes for syllogisms. I was expecting simple question. All dogs are cat. IBPS में क्या आएगा? All dogs are cat is a possibility. 99% of जनता have no idea how to solve possibility वाला cases. ठीक है. So please focus on the logic section. It is going to be one very lengthy section. Yep. So how to dedicate the time? 50 questions to be done. Allocated time should be around 40 minutes, which is a very good time. And you have to do minimum 30 questions in the 40 minutes. Alright, that's your breakup for the logic section. Alright, cutoffs. So cutoffs are normally not very high for individual sections. So quant, verbal, logic and general awareness, or sorry, computer awareness. Fine. So cutoff for quant is normally low, less than 10 marks. So around 8 to 9 marks is normally the cutoff for quant. So we're not going to talk about the cutoff. We are going to talk about the minimum cutoff here. Let's take a little high. So for you, imagine cutoff is 10 marks. So I have to do minimum 20 question. ताकि कुछ wrong होने के बाद I get at least 10 marks. Fine. Verbal ability, again cutoff is going to be around 10 marks. It's going to be less than 10, trust me, 9 point something. But let's assume to be 10. So I have to do 30 question because the accuracy is low in the verbal section. So at least I'll clear the cutoff. Same goes for logic section. I was expecting an easy paper, but the paper become very tough. But still, Indians are good in logic. Expect a cutoff of around 14. Fine. Last goes your general awareness. Fine. Cutoff will be high because all of you are IT related people. So cutoff is always high and it's easy section as well. So out of 75 marks, cutoff can touch 40. So that's your minimum target. So we have to target 40 questions out of 50. 40 questions, every question 1.5 marks, 60 attempt will fetch you 40. And easy, trust me, very easy to solve. So LR again I have to touch 20 questions so that I could do 14 right. Because LR you have good accuracy. Okay. So overall I have to get minimum 120 marks. Take that as your cutoff for you. Fine, actual cutoffs are lower than this, but that is for my students. If you want to crack it, 10 marks in quant, 10 marks in verbal, 14 in LR and 40 in GK. Computer awareness. This is going to be your target. And you will pass the exam. Alright, last section is computer knowledge. There are going to be 50 questions in computer knowledge, each question containing 1.5 marks. So total 75 mark paper is up to grab. Alright, where to do this thing? What you can expect is questions based on computer networks, database management system, web technology, data mining, warehousing, everything on this earth. Fine. So what we have done is I have created a computer awareness CA 500. Just Google out CET King computer awareness 500 questions. You'll get a PDF document. Fine, go through that. If you don't have time to go through your books, at least go through that document. Fine. For example, you got IBPS next week or next few days. These 500 questions are must do because you can do them. Otherwise, there's a huge scope which you have to solve. Fine. Overall level is easy to medium with a few difficult questions as well, but you can manage that. It won't be a big problem. Fine. So go through all the topics which are there on computer awareness. Okay, important topics to be done in this section are web technology, database management system DBMS, networks, data mining and warehousing. So these are the 5 topics you have to do. Alright. So if I summarize, GK section, 50 questions going to be there. We are not going to spend more than 15 minutes time on that. 1.5 mark per question, 75 marks up for grab. This section is the main deciding factor for the call. Obviously we have to score in every section, but that's the main section. Alright. I would recommend you to solve last year paper. Please see at least last 2 year papers so that you are done with the complete paper pattern and have taken a few mocks. Okay. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any more doubts regarding IBPS or any other exam, please ping me on Facebook. So that's facebook.com/Ravgun RAVGUN, or just search for me Rav Singh on Facebook and add me so that you can ask me any kind of doubts. Yep. If you plan to buy our program, all the shortcut workshops are available on cetking.com. Fine. Or you can call us on 959 444 1448. Alright. Thank you very much.